Today's recipe is from 1984. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a recipe called Perky Pecans. First thing we're going to do is get out our ingredients. It's going to be 1 pound large pecan halves. You're going to need 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of cold water, half a cup of sugar, a little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Sugar to cinnamon ratio is definitely personal preference. For me, I probably err on more cinnamon than half a teaspoon because I just love cinnamon. But use however much you like. Also get creative. If you want to add in some other spices, you can absolutely do that too. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 225 degrees. First step in making these pecans is to get the egg white frothy so that it can coat the pecans so that the cinnamon sugar sticks to them. So you're just going to beat the water with the egg whites for about 2 to 3 minutes until it just gets really frothy. Then you're going to add the pecans to the bowl and coat and make sure that you stir them and coat them well. You want to make sure that it gets absolutely everywhere because, like I said, it helps that sugar really cling on to them. These pecans turn out sweet, but not too sweet. They have a little bit of that cinnamon spice in there. And really, it's the texture with these. They are so crunchy, and that crusty exterior that the cinnamon sugar creates on the nuts is so good. If you can also, instead of just doing the pecan halves, if you want to chop them just a little bit, not too much, but just run a knife through them and just break them down, I feel like those pieces get even just crunchier because they're just smaller, and that's really good too. It would be great to top ice cream. It would be great to put on yogurt. They are delicious. Once you've done that, you just dump in the cinnamon sugar mixture and also sprinkle in the salt. Mix that together really well. Then you're going to get your baking pan ready and put some parchment paper on there. Makes cleanup a little bit easier. And dump the pecans on. Whenever you've done that, spread them out, and then you're going to put them in the oven for 1 hour. You're going to stir them every 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and easy recipe. If you want to stick around, subscribe, please like the video. If you have any suggestions of future videos, or just comment whatever you feel. Thank you so much, and have a good one.